Classic morning, I'm so on so ya good one 7 tower door bedroom so and 7 yana drops there's a fata salty and na Franco Trading Enterprise yes ya kon come here about Franco Trading Enterprise about phone air condition and of course the near be here Franco Trading Enterprise say Black Friday Friday be no about CCTV cameras no matter the phone opegis the phone here Franco Trading Enterprise and abeboa na bibia so timako ye iPhone smart TV ni nyina no omo obi Frigi, Franco Diana Papa, 40% discount in Yenya. Na yade ma wo. Franco Trading, Mankofa, number Bia Google. Our number is 0246422338. 0246422338. Sergio Manocho Bernard Paribo Chemi producer. Schedule Ankasani. Erica Siru Bodenra matches with Brenana Bar, Soko Pimo, or Saudi Arabia, Nisha Moto Moa, Patrol, Assad. Oche Ronaldo's ana anywhere, but we PM Europa. It was Serie A, AS Roma for Atlanta Bonichu, and in the La Liga, Sevilla no Sasuna, and so Epo 1-1. Yes, those two games, Esikoye. Sene matches this year, Koye, Shannon Sumame, and Mallorca, Barcelona, Epo, the Spanish La Liga, and then there's Ipswich Town. And Crystal Palace in the EPL now. Leicester City in West Ham United is also not a bad game and a number 1.5 we are short in that game. Leicester West Ham and then Ipswich Town Crystal Palace 1.5. Yes, and then up Mallorca Barca 1.5. They've reached 3 games over 1.5. Fatum ebefa. Just say Mokrebridi be try to go so and san emfa ebefa. Ideal about center, golden about mixture, and of course, Badwam about mixture, golden about mixture, malaria, dear few. Now, Badwam about mixture, I'm a way down nice. So, once a pen, one down cream. Badwam. Come on, pa. Yankopimo, the Ghana Olympic Committee, president, Ben Nuno Mensa. Papa, in summer to ya. The course of Black Stars. So, I'm from to Mubia, not to what's I or Chirimo, say, Coach Otoado and Samia Babai, I didn't trade it.
Personally, I haven't been too convinced with Otoado's, technical prowess. If you watch the games ending against Niger now, the second half, I thought any good coach would have changed his tactics, and then you realize Kwesi Appiah changed his tactics completely.
Yeah,
that's how come they overrun us. So most time critical matches and crucial matches are won by the coaches. And he may use it to judge or not to assess him, especially the AFCON. We don't so how he went. I don't think I'm convinced that he's somebody who can
qualify us
or is technically competent enough to qualify the Black Stars.
Wow.
He may, but I don't think it's my personal opinion based on what I've seen and what I expected. Any world class coach to change his tactics coming back in the second half, and I think that is something that is quite challenging.
Right, Manone or to be for Tuaro now or Sade Etado. Saribia said, yeah, for technical team for the Black Stars, especially. I don't name the company for you. It's just a mistake, sir. Another mistake here, October.
On your technical bench, I don't think we make the best decisions when we're selecting our technical benches.
Okay.
I think is the constraint of ABR money. We can't go and get the likes of Pep Guardiola's money and then not expect to pay,
huge sums of salary to them. Yeah.
Until there's that limitation, there's no limit here. Until to make we go and take ABR number 3 and I say number 4. But what we also fail to do is to live within ourselves.
Okay.
I think in so many years, maybe and the immediate years past now, Kwesi Appiah has been one of Ghana's best
coaches. Okay.
And it was a sad thing, we got him out the way we did, and then also when there was an opportunity to reappoint him again, we overlooked him.
Yeah.
For me, and this is a personal view, I think because we are constrained with Sika, we should look within ourselves. If Kwesi Appiah had continued where we are led.
Right, and on the Rabben no mensa de chu a ja nino no Now, ideal bar at the golden bar mesha can hold no itching after taking that is the golden bar mesha. Onoma a man me man united me no malaria and the chidom in a big juani. Which I say be me mobile mompacho a boatama bar mesha. Be ma say be busumin sieni. Oh sorry, I know sorry sa monkofi. I no party oh sorry sa monkofi kakra. Monkofi. Monkofi sa juma pai now to was a jeja oza. But what my about Mesha and Badwam libido na ba male vitality jina so kiki easy constipation waist pains bottom heba Mesha yakomo didi ane yakomo twetwe ye ne George Alhassan former Ghanaian international di ye no e go so etete ho kyerɛ oni ade a ode to dwase Great Olympics relegation womo ewo na kwan bia so no muntimi qualify for me PM league ni mu ni ade ni nyina empanifo kyekere league musa mu league mu call relegation ni nyina onhusu yi papa mo ball no mo ba se ne referees ni ye no odwem wa wonte ase
me too interest or coaching humpo
with all your knowledge of Bobby Pengos you have Bobia
because we coach team we ye dia we ye bia now come match we won say na obi ama we lose match
and not the watcher on Kuala na quality.
Ubi be mo lose.
So
say unim senior Ghana ya sitna any bobo no senior sikon enti say ye nkan no. This time no ubi kra referee bit ma be gina mfimfini a okuta ne results. Enti esa na e haadwe enti e ba ne sa na ye say ejuma we nyina
aye kwa coaching no best ka we impact on kwala ni mo suamo ko mbe kodu no na obi na the results aba see a couple of times Olympics on
so many times Olympics so many times I'm telling you
I no just say ukra akoma ka beto da bi we so
senior mimi city no say obi a uni akoma nka de bi obeji red card.
Oh really?
Oh, I'm telling you, Olympics. Your coach to me red card, to me yellow. Because you maybe or where senior sikono enye. Nti me team manager me to me control me hopa e kasa chiro mu jai. Yes, anka red card dey anka.
Be di ne kwa. Because I na say ne ni mu di no nye. Na e ma mo reacting.
Count nine. Odwen hopa. Relegation is one of those things, but Ghana what kind of cry na man food did you attend? And in a true channel. Intimate chatro, ever can send a city. To did you attempt cry and found?
Yes, George, relegation any more.
I'm telling you.
And yet from fairgrounds.
And yet fairgrounds. It's never a fair ground.
I know that then.
We should team Ekuta. After that, we say players will be brave. Teams moko. Enya.
But why better no be bad dream say more Olympics in go.
Oh, Debbie say obi andwen say ye more Olympics in go. But senior matches in see a fire. They're very bad. From beginning now. I know Olympics say Bobo across to say they no refugee penalty. Na land small friend say umbra. No could change the decision. How?
Clean.
What penalty? Clean penalty.
And money penny be no problem.
Be any problem.
Kwa names as I don't know pesa moko.
Kwa na on pesa eko. Oh. Say a jam.
And you don't seem to be happy
at all. The way a man Olympics score relegation, very bad, very bad.
Now, but saying na e boli, the better now we should I say bingo.
No, what do you want to say? Because he more bad, he more good. Oh, good. Especially meet top teams now. It means born fine. But meet young teams no more anymore na you problems so
any papi chechira na kwase mo ka me dwen ho a any papi o soro ho asa mo chechira
eno mo die mintimi nka enye say enya de na call relegation no
nya on fair grounds
no
relegation nka wa onya ade no na akọ
ye mre so sana na etie onya ade akobeko ye mre so Olympics first second third the first second third has Olympics kotoko first second third ye mre so na esa since amimi ja Olympics ball na sanu e nyina ba started ba e Olympics abrabo.
Wow. Right, George Al-Hassan, former Ghanaian international. I was asking some money. Say a air conditioner, a Franco Trading Enterprise, 1.5 horsepower. I think so, no, a 2.0, and of course, 2.5. Nina a Franco Trading Enterprise. How ana obe to me, I wide na one sa to me. I can be Franco Trading Enterprise. Me patcho another China tabletop fridges, smart TVs, 32-inch, 55, iPhone, Samsung. With the phone, just say yeah, and our brand didn't we ask him with the alcohol unyabi. But a brand didn't we ask him quite a benyabi of Franco Trading Enterprise. Me patcho one more a boy papa CCTV cameras na ubenyabi or honomo firm or 0246422338 and 0555939311 and do by moving gas the brabra me will be gunkonya so that be Franco 0555939331 Franco Trading Enterprise www.francotrading.com. Ideal Herba, the Golden Herba mixture can one opinion I didn't sound about Golden Herba mixture, malaria be feel malaria nechi doming away. Patro Golden Herba mixture, Guatemala Herba mixture, waist pains, the constipation, may vitality, libido. Eba samba back Guatemala Herba mixture for bulk purchase open .wise 0243 1733888 0243 1733888 more wager SCC or kind shubenya be I want to watch here about Patch Ventures and I think so Hallows Herba I think so copy more water cradia amen sir Kofodia Gapson Pharmacy ne Bernal Pharmacy na think so no Nkoko Hillside Pharmacy adre bi ni Nkoko Hillside Pharmacy na dro enye collect Owuskobi Nkoko oda ewo ochini ba chemical I want to bring you me patcho ideal ba mo kan wano pay na yede nsam no e de bre wo and your birthday Dr. Mark Ajay CEO of New Life Homeopathy Clinic Doc. Yes, Michelle last time Apostle Amwakwanta birthday. Yeah, one fine gentleman. Opane enye ya bebre. Dr. Mark Ajay. Happy birthday Yamin Shao onto kwem no akwa so be se de be nyame nyama o mo more intelligent cash them more. Doc more life, more cash. We feed the multimedia group and my immortal champion myself. Yes, it's some yeah. I'm saying Benjamin Sunia, sister John Manucho, Bernard Padibo, producers. Yana waka de nankasa ka kejwa na ho Erica Siedu Bwedi Sabrina Pomori on some is a firm kwata makwa when space. Our day ba we are the akabeba. Koswa na hebegem.